Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a BRZ front bumper. First, let's gather our tools. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver and a 10mm socket. A fine hooked pick is incredibly useful for carefully detaching those tricky plastic clips without damage. Additionally, a flathead screwdriver can assist with prying, and a jack might be helpful for better access to the underside of your vehicle. Having these items ready will make the process much smoother. Now, let's begin with the top and sides. Start by removing the 5 10mm bolts situated along the top edge of the bumper. Next, you will find two larger, beefy clips that also need to be detached in this area. Turn your front wheels to gain access to the wheel wells, where you'll remove 4 plastic clips on each side. Finally, carefully take out the side marker lights. There's often a hidden plastic clip just above where the bulb was that needs to be removed as well. Moving to the underside of the vehicle, there are several more fasteners to address. You will need to locate and remove approximately 7 plastic clips that secure the bumper to the underbody. In addition to these clips, there are also 2 10mm bolts on the underside that must be unscrewed. It is crucial to ensure all these lower clips and bolts are completely detached before attempting to pull the bumper off, preventing any potential damage. With all fasteners removed, the bumper is almost free. Gently but firmly pull the bumper away from the vehicle's sides, where it clips into the fender. Before fully detaching, reach underneath each headlight to disconnect the 2 plugs for the fog lights and turn signals. Remember to push the bulb holders through the bumper to avoid ripping wires. Once these electrical connections are free, your BRZ front bumper can be completely removed.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.